Okay. What they're gonna do is they're gonna lift Mom Beth using their 2 fingers. The first 2 ladies here at front, they're gonna put their hands. Oh, sorry, ma'am. Is it okay? Okay. They're gonna put their fingers here, and the other 2 ladies at the back, they're gonna put it right here. Okay. So you make a something like this position. So something like this. Yeah. Okay. So let's try it. Let's try it. You put your 2 fingers here. Okay. And then on the count of 3, they're gonna try to lift Mom Beth. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Try to lift Mom Beth. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, tama. So easily you can easily see that even though there are 4, they find it very, very hard or very, very difficult to lift Mom Beth using their 2 fingers with those positions that I make mention of. So with this product that we have, okay, 1 for you, 1 for you, okay, 1 for you, and 1 for you. Okay, try to drink it. Okay. So there's still some residue on it. Okay. Damihan mo pa yung isa kayo. Damihan mo pa. Punoy mo na yun. Damihan mo pa. Ayan, yung kanya rin. Yung isa kayo.
Parang sama lasa.
Okay. Again, the contents of our product are 12 fruits, 12 vegetables, 18 amino acid, taho, taho. Digestive enzymes. Okay. So let's just wait for around 30 seconds because our product, again, is a nanotechnology. Penetrates to our cellular level, which is the basic unit of our body. The body, the organ system, the tissue system, and the cellular system of our body. Okay? Again, okay, let's try to have the position first. Position first, okay? Put it in Mom Beth's beneath the ankle. Okay? Okay, on the count of 3, sabay-sabay. Okay, what I want you to do is when you try to lift Mom Beth, try to lift him in a position like you're gonna raise him so high like this. And then we're gonna count. We're gonna count how high and how far can you hold him at that level. So try to lift him up so high like this. And then we're gonna count, okay? Okay, on the count of 3, no laughing please. No laughing. On the count of 3, no laughing, girls, no laughing. On the count of 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's give it up for Mom Beth. Thank you, Mom Beth.